Hey guys. Not quite as blurry as I thought it was. Um, so I need to go to the grocery store and I'm going to run by the post office since I'm going to be about halfway there already. It is 35 degrees out here. I opted to not bring my coat because bulk, and I'm going to be in the car like 97% of the time. But yeah. I was going to film actually at my desk this morning and show you guys the completion of yesterday's yarn, but I didn't have a quiet moment until literally as I was walking out the door to even come in and say good morning. So hopefully by the time I get home, everything will be calm around the house. I've had the Roomba going around trying to take care of the rooms with the hardwoods and carpeting in them. The rugs and the carpets, or rugs and hardwoods. I've got laundry I've been doing all morning. Yeah. The life of a homemaker. It's never done. There's always something to do. I'm really hoping traffic isn't that bad. It's only 8 o'clock. My post office shouldn't be that busy yet, but I keep thinking that. I have an impossible time getting back out. I can park just fine. It's getting back out that's the problem. So anyway, I will keep checking in with you guys as I go about my day. Hey guys, so since I got home from the grocery store, I have been cooking, cleaning, eating. I took a half-hour rest. Oh my goodness. I'm just saying, it never ends. It really does just never end. But I wanted to sit down. I'm finally taking a chance to open my mail from my P.O. box and wanted to share that with you guys. So I got a card from Cindy over at Freeze Baby. Bells on bobtails ring. I love it. I love it. And then I also got a card from Jennifer over at Froggy When a Knittin'. How beautiful is that? It's like not overcast anymore, but it's still like dark in the house. So I keep having to use the flash. So like everything is glarier than normal. But she also included a sweet little stitch marker. Look at him. Ain't he just the cutest? Look at his little toes. Look at his little toes. Lampwork's another one of those things that I'm just constantly amazed by. I have one other thing sitting here. Make sure I don't accidentally share somebody's address here. So I got a package from Crystal over at Chronically Crocheting. Because I'm trying desperately to not like make a whole bunch of noise. Look at how cute that is. And there's a card. I've forgotten stuck the card back in the envelope. Man. All right. So we're going to pause this. I'm going to open my package and then I'll show you the card. Oh my goodness, Crystal. That is beautiful. And that is so incredibly soft. The label is foreign. But it is 100 grams. It's cashmere polyamide blend. But those colors are awesome. And I love the fact it's on that bluish gray base with all the speckles. Like cats. And can I just say, so far this is my favorite card. I love him. He is so cute. So if you guys don't already know, Crystal has started making cards this year, and this is now my second one of her cards that I have gotten, and I just love him. Look at all of his little detail. And she's got it double matted here. So not only is he super cute, it's the same thing I do where I layer paper to make it feel really, really thick. I don't want to show you the note in there because that's for me. But she's got the inside stamped. And then she's got the envelope all stamped out to match. She's got washi tape on there. Crystal, thank you so much. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at him. Frosty the Snowman. Yeah, I'm not going to torture y'all with my singing, but... Oh, I love him. Thank you so much, sweetie. And you're very welcome. I have really enjoyed getting to know you this year, and it has been a wonderful experience for me too. Well, guys, I've kind of trashed my kitchen. So I've got pot roast, cauliflower rice, made up a couple pounds of bacon. I have jalapeno popper chicken in the oven right now, and now I'm about to get started on some rolls, and then I think I'm going to make some peanut butter tag-along bars. So, yeah. This is what I mean, like it just hasn't stopped since I got started. But yeah, got a lot done so far. Also gonna have a huge stack of dishes to clean tonight. But yeah. Well, I'm about done. I have the first 2 layers of the tag-along bars cooling. So that's the chocolate to go on top. Still need to clean out the stove, but the stovetop's still too hot to clean out. But jalapeno popper chicken. And pot roast is in the crock pot. Buns are in the oven. I'm going to go open my Advent yarn now. Okie dokie. Let us see what we got in here. It's now like 4:30. This is the first time I'm opening these this late. Oh! Yep. So that is Red Heart Black Lights. I know exactly what that is. Or black light. And for our fingering weight today, we've got an impossible to open without overly crinkling bag. Aha! So this is, I believe, Stroll as well. But I made a pair of socks fairly long time ago out of this. So that's going to go in real nicely once again. I got to motivate myself to get up again. Hi, Pippin. What you need? You just coming to say hi? What are we doing? He does not like having his picture taken or being filmed. I'm not quite sure why. All right, you guys. I will check in with you probably to tell you good night, but I'll check in regardless. I'll see y'all in a bit. Hey, you guys. So I've got the kitchen mostly cleaned up except for the crock pot and the pans that I made the bacon in today. So I'm beat. I'm going to save those for the morning. I already ran the dishwasher with everything else. Curzon's debating on whether or not he's going to jump up here and say hello to everybody. So yeah, it's like 8 o'clock. I'm late filming the wrap up, so this is going to go up late again tonight. But I did want to show you what little bit I got done. We sat there. Like I said the other day, our dinner watching has been Cobra Kai. We finished season 2 now, so we're ready for season 3 next month. He's creeping up here. He's creeping up here. Curzon-a-moose. What's you doing, Curzon? Oh, here comes Pippin now. Anyway, so I've gotten very little of the yarn put into the shawl, but I'm going to work on this while I get my video smushed together for today, and I'll relax. Oh, goodness gracious, guys. I'm going to relax the rest of the day. I am plumb spang beat and worn out, but I'm really loving how this is. Once again, it's another color that's just dropping in perfectly, so I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. Take care. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. See y'all real soon. And this is what happens as soon as I cut the video off. He's going to make me feel guilty because I need to go sit at the desk now. And this obviously at my desk. What you doing, babe? Who's my sweet honeybees or? Are you my honeybee? Y'all take care.